What's going on, Renaissance Lifers? Welcome back to Renaissance Life TV. I'm your host Lee, and today I'm going to talk about how to win arguments with your wife or girlfriend, guaranteed every time. If you're new to the channel, Renaissance Life TV is a channel for men who want to take their lives to the next level. Each week, I'll cover tips on how to, personal growth and success, entrepreneurship, and a different perspective on navigating life and relationships. Now, before I get into it, there's a disclaimer. This is meant to be a satire. This is a satire. You should not take these tips if you want your relationship to last. Now, with that in mind, let's get into it. Here's how to win arguments with your girlfriend or wife. If you want to win an argument with your wife or girlfriend, make sure to change the subject. That way, you don't actually have to deal with the problem. Also, another way to make sure you win an argument with your wife or girlfriend is to use big words. That way, you sound like you're right because the words are bigger. And don't think you have to know the meaning of the words. You just have to look like you know the meaning of the words. Make sure you raise your voice, because that way you can be sure that they heard you, especially if they still disagree, because if they heard you, they would probably agree. Bring up something unrelated from the past. This is a great trick. This will confuse them so they forget what the argument was about. Don't show any emotion, no matter how hurt the other person seems. That's just a tactic to soften you up. Next, blow things way out of proportion. That way, there's no way she can possibly argue against it all. Another great trick is to just pretend nothing ever happened. If you pretend that nothing happened, she'll believe nothing happened. And last but not least, never give up. Don't admit when you're wrong, even when you're wrong. Especially when you're wrong. That way, you'll never be wrong. Alright guys, so I hope you don't do any of those things in your relationships. Some of these things we're all probably guilty of at one point or another, or to some extent, so it's worth going over them. Now, I'm working on another video on how to communicate with your wife or girlfriend without arguing, so stay tuned for that. And please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more great videos like this. I'll see you next time on Renaissance Life TV.